Hi, today we're exploring the amazing benefits of smoothies for both weight loss and muscle gain. If you're looking for a delicious, nutritious way to support your fitness goals, you're in the right place. Smoothies are a fantastic way to get a nutrient-packed meal or snack. Let's dive into how they can help you lose weight and build muscle. First up, let's talk about weight loss. Smoothies are nutrient-dense and low in calories, especially when made with fruits, vegetables, and low-fat dairy or plant-based milk. They're also high in fiber, which helps you feel full longer and reduces the urge to snack on unhealthy foods. Plus, you can control the ingredients to avoid added sugars and unhealthy fats. Smoothies can serve as a quick and easy meal replacement, helping you manage your calorie intake more effectively. Now, let's switch gears and talk about muscle gain. Smoothies can be high in protein, especially when you add protein powder, Greek yogurt, or nut butters. This protein is essential for muscle repair and growth. They're also great for post-workout recovery. A smoothie with protein and carbohydrates can help replenish glycogen stores and repair muscle tissue after a workout. Blending fruits and vegetables makes it easier for your body to absorb essential nutrients, which are crucial for muscle recovery and growth. And the best part? You can customize your smoothies to meet your specific dietary needs, whether you need more protein, healthy fats, or specific vitamins and minerals. Here's a sample smoothie recipe that's perfect for both weight loss and muscle gain. For a peanut butter banana smoothie, you'll need 1 ripe banana, 1 tablespoon peanut butter, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1 scoop protein powder, a few ice cubes. Combine all ingredients in a blender, blend until smooth, and enjoy. This smoothie provides a good balance of protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates, making it ideal for both weight loss and muscle gain. Want to try more of my favorite smoothie recipes? Grab a copy of my smoothie ebook using the link in the description. It's filled with delicious, easy-to-make recipes that you'll love. And don't forget to subscribe for more health and fitness tips. Hit that like button if you found this video helpful and let me know in the comments what your favorite smoothie ingredients are. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and happy. Blending.